Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am gonna tell you about Huawei Y7 Pro 2018 and another Apple iPhone SE3. In this video, I am gonna also tell you the retail price of both these phones and upcoming price of both these phones and also expected price of both these phones and the official warranty given by the company, yes or not. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the further notification of my video. So let's get started the video. So here we have built-in quantity of OS, Android V 8.0, Oreo, iOS 14. This is a comparison video so we can tell you about detailed specification comparably. UI EMUI 8.0 and other UI specification not available. Dimension 158.3 into 76.7 into 7.8 mm. Other 138.4 into 67.3 into 7.3 mm. Weight 155 gram. Another phone weight not available. SIM dual standby nano SIM. Other eSIM nano SIM. Color black, gold, blue. Another various. Here we have network in quantity of technology 2G band, 2 SIM slot available in Y7 Pro 2018, another only 1 SIM slot. 3G band yes available both these phones, 4G band yes also available both these phones, 5G band not available both these phones. Here we have in processor of CPU 1.4 GHz octa-core Cortex A53, other hexa-core chipset Qualcomm MSM 8937 Snapdragon 430, other Apple A14 Bionic GPU Adreno 505, another Apple GPU 4-core graphics. Here we have in display of technology IPS LCD, capacitive touchscreen, 16 mm color multi-touch. Another OLED capacitive touchscreen 16 mm color multi-touch. Size 6.0 inches, another 5.69 inches. Resolution 720 into 1440 pixel, 269 ppi. Other 720 into 1600 pixel, 308 ppi. Protection specification not available in Y7 Pro. Another Einstein glass oleo hopping coating. Here we have in memory built-in 32 GB, built-in 3 GB RAM, other 64 by 128 by 256 GB, built-in 3 GB RAM, external card, microSD card, another variant not support any microSD card. Here we have in camera main dual 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel autofocus LED flash, other 12 megapixel and also LED flash. Features a lot of features available both these phones, front 8 megapixel and other 7 megapixel. Here we have in connectivity of WLAN, Bluetooth GPS, radio USB, NFC data. Here we have in sensor of accelerometer, gyro compass, proximity barometer, fingerprint. Features, audio, browser messaging and games. Battery capacity, Li-ion non-removable 3000 mAh, other Li-ion non-removable 2821 mAh. So I hope you can like this video, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and thanks for watching.